Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Apple Watch Universe here, and today I'll be showing you guys how to use moving wallpapers on your iPhone. So first, start by getting your moving wallpaper. So you want to take a live photo. So to take a live photo, you want to go to Camera and go to Live. So Live is at the top right, and there I enabled it. Then take your photo and get out of the app, go to Settings, and go to this setting right here. So once you go to settings, scroll down, go to wallpaper, click on choose new wallpaper, and click on all your photos, and then click on the photo you would like. So then you can see, press on the screen to see this wallpaper animate. So I'm going to press, and you can see it move. It will move more if I did move when I took the picture. This is a nice little memory every time you hold down your wallpaper. Then you can hit on set it to your lock screen, your home screen, or both. I believe the moving wallpapers only work on your lock screen. So click on lock screen and then it would work. Then from there, when you're on your lock screen, just like this, you can hold down your wallpaper and it will move. So that will be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys like your new wallpaper. And if it helped you, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I post videos weekly, so like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you guys in the next one.